everyone, I'm happy that you are listening to this video and watching this video too. I must say it is a joy to produce content. This week I want to explore the Carib expulsion from St. Vincent, a tale of resistance and legacy. When I went to school in Jamaica, they told me the Caribs were, of course, eaters of the flesh, human flesh that is. And historically, books documented this. They stated the Caribs were raiders who attacked various islands, killing men and, of course, abducting the women. These accounts were made by the Spaniards, who described, of course, the Caribs as cannibals who consumed again human flesh. However, when we look at the community, these narratives are somewhat offensive because they did not go into the deeper depths of the Caribs and, of course, the individuals who were associated with them. In the lush heart of the Caribbean, the island of St. Vincent once echoed with the story of a set of people who were known as the Caribs. These inhabitants, according to research, was from the South America region, and they had traveled the islands, arriving in St. Vincent to establish their home. They were warriors who were deeply entrenched in the rhythm of nature. During this period in the Caribbean, the Caribs thrived. The Caribbean group of people. Yes, a mix between Africans and the Caribs in the Caribbean. The Caribs faced displacement. The French and British conflict over St. Vincent in the 18th century was a significant event in their history. In 1796, many Caribs were forcibly exiled from St. Vincent to an island off the coast of Honduras. From there, many migrated to the mainland, settling along the coast of present-day Brazil, Guatemala, Honduras, and Nicaragua. In modern times, the Caribs have spread across Central America, with notable population also in segments of New York. They are often regarded as the last descendants of the Caribs, preserving the culture and traditional heritage of the Amerindian inhabitants of the Caribbean islands. However, their numbers and traditional culture are dwindling due to modernization and pressures in Brazil and, of course, Honduras. Despite these challenges, there has been a resurgence of interest in the Caribbean tradition, with efforts to preserve their identity through literature, festivals, and cultural events, both in Brazil and the United States. Despite these challenges, they have made significant efforts to maintain their cultural identity and have been recognized by UNESCO for their unique cultural contributions. The narrative of the Caribs and the Caribbean is not just about a tale of sorrow and injustice, but it is a fight against the powers like France, Spain, and England. It's a testament of resilience, adaptability. Despite these challenges, they have made significant efforts to maintain their cultural identity and have been recognized by UNESCO for their unique cultural contribution. That's all for now. Over to you, Rossi, and please remember to subscribe.